Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. Okay, LU4, LU3 and LU4, Mathematics Intensive Class. Okay, kita pergi ke LU4 dahulu, LU3 lepas ini. LU4, question 1 and question 2, data description. Okay, question 1. Find the mean, median, standard deviation of the above data, the number of books and the thickness of the books. Okay, question A and question B. Okay, first checks tables. Tables, the frequency, cumulative frequency, summation of fx and fx square. Saya tunjuk ini saja. Okay, first check the sum of the frequency. Sum frequency here equals to the 170. Ini saya tunjukkan saja, yang penting 170. And here second summation of the fx, 370.5. And last year fx square, equals to the 919.15. Okay, first question, find the mean of the data. So mean x bar equals to the summation of fx over a frequency, 370.5 over 170. So here 2.1794. Kecek jawapan you. This one number one, mean. And the second question, find the median of the data. Okay. So median, the total frequency here equals to the 170. So the median or the second quartile. Okay, median 1/2 times 170. Okay, the location here at 85 data. Okay. And the median class between 2.0 and 2.4. Nanti you all check tempat dia kat sini ya. This one is a Q2 second quartile. Okay. Okay, so you list down all the value. The first value here, the lower class boundary of the median class equals to the 1.95. Ini tuliskan saja, ya. And the median class size of the median class here equal to the 0.5, 2.45 minus 1.95. And the frequency of the median class F2 here equals to the 34. And the total frequency N here equal to the 170. And last sum of the frequency before the median class equals to the 68. Okay. Yang ini kelas, better you all list downkan satu persatu. Ya. L2, C2, F2, total frequency and last year sum frequency before the median class. Baru you substitute ke sini nanti last kali. Ya. Formula ini biasa kita akan bagi ya. Biasa formula kita akan bagi, you all just pakai sahaja. Ya. Okay, check answer. So the median here equals 2.2. Okay. Yang penting formula untuk LU4 ni, yang penting you all tahu dia punya details. For example, LU2 ni apa maksud dia? LU2 ni the lower class boundary. C2 sama, F2, N total frequency, and this one total frequency before the median class. Dia punya detail yang sikit-sikit tu you kena tahulah apa benda dia. Yeah. Okay, question number 2, find the median. And question number 3, find the standard deviation. Standard deviation, okay, cek jawapan. Ini pakai formula sahaja. Summation of fx square 191.15. Fx here equal to the 370.5 and the frequency here equals to the 170. Okay, and answer 0.8129. Answer here at least 3 decimal places. Okay, kalau lebih daripada itu lagi okay lah. Ya, at least 3 ya. 0.8129. Okay, settle question A and question B. Okay, question B, find the Pearson coefficient. Mean minus median times 3 over standard deviation. Ini punya orang pakai saja. So the mean of data 2.1794, minus median 2.2, and standard deviation 0.8129. So answer here negative, skew to the left. Ini mudah saja. Kalau positif, skew to the right. Dapat jawapan. Okay, settle question 1. Find the mean, median, standard deviation and the Pearson coefficient. Ada 4 soalan kat sini. This one is number 4. Saya tulis satu persatu lah. Okay, settle question 1 and question 2. Okay, question 2, find the mean, mode, median and standard deviation for the data below. Okay, check dulu you punya tables. First here, the total frequency of data equals to the 50. Okay, and here the summation of fx equal to the 70. And last year, fx square equals to the 138.5. 3 benda ni penting, pastikan betul. Ya. Dan satu lagi, pastikan table ni you all buat. Kalau you pakai calculator pun boleh juga. Tapi biasa dia kalau better, kalau nak you punya answer tu betul, tepat, better pakai tables. Lagi tepat lah you punya jawapan nanti. Ya. Okay, question A, find the mean of the data. Okay, this one question 1. Okay, check answer dulu. Submit this one number 1. Punya mean. Mod here number 2. Okay, fx over 50, 1.4. Check answer. Ni calculator saja. Okay, and the question 2, find the mode. Okay, mode with the highest frequency between 1 and 2. Nampak dekat sini ya, saya tunjukkan. The highest frequency here equals to the 23, somewhat between 1 and 2. Yeah. First, find the lower class boundary of the model class. The lower class boundary here equals to the 1. L here equals to the 1. And find the D1, difference between the model class and the previous class. Saya tunjukkan saja. This one, 23 minus 18. So here equals to the 5. And D2 here, difference between the model class and next class, 23 and 6. Okay, ini jangan terbalik ah. You punya D1 and D2, yeah. So D2 here equals to the 17. And last year, size of the model class here equals to the 1. Ini mudah saja, yeah. Okay, and substitute into the formula and answer here mod 1.2273. Dapat jawapan. Yeah. This one number 2 mod and the number 3 the median class. Median class second quartile Q2 50 divided by 2 25. 25 data. Tempat dia sama juga. So tempat between 1 and 2. Sama dengan mod tempat dia, Q2 sini. Okay. Okay, check answer. This one you list down the lower class boundary of the median class. Ini tuliskan saja. Equals to 1. And the size of the median class C2 here equals to 1. Frequency of the median class F2 here equals to the 23. Okay. Total frequency equals to the 50. And the sum of the frequency before the median class here equals to the 18. Okay, list down ke semua. Lagi selamat lah. You buat satu persatu and then you substitute. Median here equals to the 1.3043. Dapat jawapan. Ya. Yang pasti ni, setiap ini you kena tahulah apa benda dia. Ini tadi mod lah, jangan campur. Okay. Ini ke sini. Okay, selebihnya ini untuk yang median class. Okay, check answer. 1.3043, at least 3 decimal places. And last year, find the standard deviation. Ini pun sama, calculator. So the fx here equals to the 70, fx square 138.5, and the total accuracy here equals to the 50. Yeah, and then you check calculator 0.909. Dapat jawapan. Okay, settle. Okay, question 2, LU4 ada 2 soalan sahaja. Ya, ada 2 soalan sahaja. Okay, saya buka dahulu untuk LU4 kalau ada sebarang soalan. Lepas ni saya pergi ke LU3 pula. Kita ada LU hari ini. Ataupun you all boleh type dalam chat meeting. Lepas ni type dalam chat meeting, lepas ni saya jawab. Kita pergi ke LU3. Okay, kalau you ada soalan, type dalam chat meeting. Lepas ni saya akan jawab. Lagi mudah. Okay, question LU3 integration. Question 1, ln x over x times 1 plus ln x square. Okay, 5 step. Question 1 here, you just check step by step. Saya tunjukkan step by step lah, lagi mudah. First step here, you let the u here equals to the 1 plus ln x. This one step 1. Saya tunjuk step by step lah, lagi step mudah. Okay, step 1, you let u here equals to the 1 plus ln x. Kita buat step by step, yeah. And differentiate u with respect to the x, du over dx here equals to the 1 over x, yeah. So du equals to the 1 over x dx, yeah, step 2, du over dx. And step 3, write down the integrants in terms of u. So ln x here equals to the ln x over 1 plus ln x square. So here in terms of u, u minus 1 over u square. Okay, yang ini ya. Yang ini you all replace saja. Okay, denominator here equals to the u minus 1 and numerator here equals to the u square. Yeah. And u minus 1 over u square. Ini you all kena buat step by step. Saya tunjukkan saja. This one is u over u square minus 1 over u square. Dia macam inilah. Okay, baru you akan dapat ke sini. U over u here equals to the 1 over u and minus u raised to the power of the negative 2. Okay, ini ya. Dia punya power denominator here equals 2. And the integrants here in terms of u equals to the ln u plus 1 over u plus c. Okay, this one step 3, integrand in terms of u. Okay, and then you integrate ln 1 plus ln x. This one is step 3 and step 4. You integrate, and last year you replace u with the 1 plus ln x. Sini ya, sini tempat you replace, and denominator here 1 plus ln x. Okay. Okay, settle. Step 1 to step 5. Okay. And question here, you solve the integrals. Okay, so this one the value of E and 1. Ini calculator saja. Okay, so 1 plus ln E and minus ln 1 plus ln 1, and answer you here ln 2 minus 1 over 2. Okay, ataupun this one answer you put in a decimal point pun boleh, tak ada masalah. It's up to you lah. Okay, you pakai fraction pun boleh, you pakai decimal pun boleh. Final answer ni tak ada masalah. Okay, question 1 ni saya tekankan sahaja you punya 5 step tadi. Okay, daripada step 1, let u, step 2 du over dx, step 3 here integrand in terms of u, step 4 you integrate, ini ya, step 4 integrate, and last here you replace u with 1 plus ln x. Dia ada 5 step yang penting kat situ. Okay. Okay, settle question 1 and question 2. Okay, question 1 and question 2 ni dia nampak sama, memang sama pun, ya. Tapi kita punya u tu lain, ya. You all check. Question 2, u here equals to the ln x. Okay, check dulu. Dia punya method hampir sama. Okay, check dulu. Okay, step 1. Step 1, you let u here equals to the ln x, yeah? And find the first derivative. Differentiate u with respect to x. Du over dx here equals to the 1 over x. And du here equals to the 1 over x dx. Okay, step 1, step 2. And step 3, write down the integrands here in terms of u. Ln x over x times 1 plus ln x square. So the numerator here ln x you replace with u, ini ya. And denominator here 1 plus ln x square. So here in terms of u 1 plus u square. Dia sama macam question 1 tadi, sama saja dia punya step dia. Okay. Okay, and here the partial fraction, a over 1 plus u plus b over 1 plus u square, du, integrants here in terms of u, yeah. Okay, and here the 1 plus u and 1 plus u square, this one the repeated linear, and here identity. Okay, u here equals to the a times 1 plus u plus b, and first here u equals to the -1 and find the value of b. B here equals to the -1 and u here equal to 0. A here equals to the 1. Okay. Ini sama dengan polynomials yang lepas. Okay. Okay. So you find the value of A, find the value of B. Okay. This one. So you let the P here equals to the 1 plus u. And dp over du here equals to the 1, yeah, and dp equals to the du, okay, so 1 over 1 plus u square here equals to the 1 plus p square, okay, ini pun sama, phi negative 2, and this one equals to the 1 plus u square, sama saja, okay, jawapan, okay, and last here, you replace u with ln x. Okay. Okay, replace u with ln x. So ln 1 plus ln x and plus 1 over 1 plus ln x plus c. Sini ya. Ini you tukarkan sini. This one you replace with the ln x and here you replace with the ln x. You tukar saja. Okay. And last here, you find the integrals, ini calculator, and then answer you sampai ke sini. Okay? Ataupun answer you write down in the decimal point pun boleh, tak ada masalah. It's up to you lah. Okay. Okay, settle question 2. Method dia hampir sama, kecuali question 2 ni kita pakai partial fraction saja. Itu je beza dia. Okay, question 2 and question 3. Okay, cek dulu jawapan. Okay, question 3 method, integration by parts. Okay, question number 3, find the value of m. Okay, integration by parts. First here u equals to the ln x, and du here equals to the 1 over x dx. This one ni punya first part. And v here dv x plus m, and v here equals to the x square over 2 plus mx. Okay, ada dua benda kat sini. Okay, check dulu. Ia punya first part. Okay, and integrate using the integration by parts, uv minus vdu. Yeah, uv ln x times x square plus mx, and v here x square over 2 plus mx, and dv 1 over x dx. Yang ini ya, ia punya first step. Okay, so here uv ln x x square over 2 plus mx, and here integrates equals to the x square over 4 minus mx and plus c. You dapat sampai sini. Okay. And here the value integrals en1 ni macam tadi ya. Okay. So this one calculator. So this one equal to the e square plus 21 over 4. Okay. And last here you find the value of m. M here equals to the 5. Okay, dapat jawapan. Okay, check dulu. Okay, LU3, 3 question, 3 soalan sahaja. Saya cek dulu. Kalau ada soalan ke tidak. Saya cek dulu attendance hari ini. Berapa ramai yang hadir. Baik. Sekejap, ada masalah teknikal. Saya punya ni tak boleh ni ya. Sekejap. Baik, betul. Baik. Okey, ada sebarang soalan? Saya punya ni tiba-tiba jam saya punya Teams ni. Saya tak sure apa masalah dia. Okey, ada soalan you boleh tanya pakai mic pun boleh. Saya nak bagi pakai chatting, saya nak check, saya nak download you punya attendance dahulu. Cuba dulu, kejap . Okey, ada 45 yang hadir hari ini. Okeylah, saya download dahulu. Okay, question. There is one question with the exclusive class intervals. So from the lecture video, the lowest class boundary do not have the negative 0.5. We have to, is there any special condition for this case? Ni soalan mana satu ni? Which one? This one the question. This one is a question intensive class. Which one you punya question ni? The lower question number 9. Okay, question number 9. Saya tak bawa saya punya soalan ya. Sebab hari ini saya bawa intensive class saja. Okay, tak apa. Nanti you boleh PM saya terus saja. Dia punya soalan dia. Okay, sebab saya tak bawa dia punya draft question kat sini. Draft skema jawapan. Okay, yang lain ada soalan? You tanya dengan intensive class saja. Sebab saya tak bawa dia punya tutorials LU4. Nanti kalau ada soalan tu you PM saya kemudian. Okay. Okay, yang lain ada soalan LU4 and LU3. Ada? Sebelum kita tamatkan. Dan lagi ya, yes. Yes. Okay. Dan nanti lagi minggu hadapan you punya kelas pun ada juga untuk LU5 dan LU6. And the last nanti after raya pun ada juga. untuk the LU7 and LU8. Ya, ada lagi 2 session lagi untuk you punya internship class kat sini. Ya. Dan video ni nanti saya akan masuk dalam saya punya channel YouTube. Nanti all check kat sana kalau you nak check dia punya solution. Okay, ada lagi soalan? Saya ingat macam tak ada soalan lagi. Okay, kalau tak ada soalan, saya ingat itu sahaja untuk hari ini. Dan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.